Hello everyone. Next, take a section of the hair from the front and then divide it into two parts. Begin to twist it one over the other. As you progress with this twist, include more and more sections into it. Tie a ponytail at the bottom. Take a small section of this ponytail and make it into a bow by twisting it in on itself and lifting it up. Divide the hair into two sections, tie a ponytail on either side, braid both of these and then roll it up into a bun. Pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Add 3 rubber bands at the bottom as such. Next, taking the top of the hair as such, divide it into 3 parts and then begin to braid the hair. Include sections from the front of the hair into this braid as such. That is the front sides as well. Now, once you are moving, join it towards the back and tie a bow to it. Take a section of the top of the hair and then roll it in on itself as such. Add a thread to it and then begin to braid it using the thread as 2 sections of the braid. Do this with 2 sections of the hair, loop it and tie it in place, tie a ponytail on the sides. Then make 3 sections at the back and tie a ponytail at the bottom. Next, start off by tying a ponytail. Take a section of this ponytail and make a braid out of it. Add a rubber band in the middle section of it, roll it in on itself, pull the braid through, lift it up in order to make this bow. Then add another section in the middle, add another section underneath it. Do this until you reach the bottom. Tie a ponytail to the hair, take a section of it and tie a rubber band to it. Braid the hair as such and lift up portions of it, make a heart shape out of it. Next, take a section from the front of the hair and then begin to braid it as such. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Now this will be a French braid as you are including sections from both of the sides. Once you reach the bottom, however, only include hair from one of the sides, join it at the back and then tie a bow. Next, diagonally divide the hair into 3 parts and then on one of the sides add multiple sections on rubber bands. Add it to the other side, make 2 braids out of the other side and make a heart shape. At the bottom, make 2 braids. Make 2 braids in a ponytail, make a heart out of it, and there you have it. Thank you for watching.